Hey everyone, Braxton from PowerLabs Dyno and Tuning here, filling you in on a change that's going to be happening pretty soon. We've operated in East Idaho since 2003 between our Lincoln, Shelley, and again Idaho Falls locations, and we have developed a wonderful customer base. We've got to work on a lot of cool projects, work with a lot of wonderful people in the industry, but we are going to be moving our base of operations. Effective June of this summer, we are going to be located in Boise, Idaho. Now, I wanted to use the words changing our base of operations because we will still be servicing and taking care of all of our existing past, present, future East Idaho customers as we always have. We are establishing relationships with high quality local shops that will be able to cater to our customers needing tuning services and some of the services that we have always offered. We'll come to you here in the near future with those shops and how that's going to work. And we are also working on securing dyno operations in East Idaho for past, present, and future customers so that we can still offer our same great quality and array of services that we always have. We're not leaving anybody high and dry. We're here to take care of you just like we always have and always will. Now, another thing to consider with this move is that in this day and age, you don't always need to go directly to a shop to acquire tuning services. We have been offering and utilizing HP Tuners remote tuning devices for our customers pretty frequently lately. They allow you to load our tuning, load our updates, revisions, data log, read and clear trouble codes, things like that, all directly from your smartphone on pretty much all of our supported applications. A lot of customers are opting for that because then they don't need to come into a shop. If they have a question or they have a concern about the tune or need an update for some small parts changes, we can send it right to their smartphone over the cloud, load it in, and go. But we understand that's not for everybody. So like I mentioned previously, we are setting up relationships with high quality performance shops in the area to be able to cater to those customers that like having a shop to go to. So don't worry there. As far as the time frame goes, we are still operating business as usual throughout the month of May, but the end of May will be the cutoff for East Idaho dyno operations for the time being until we get the follow-up dyno solutions set up. Last year, we developed a relationship with a shop in Boise called Paradigm Automotive and Performance. Their specialty and where they got their start was in Subaru and import performance, but as the shop has grown and expanded, they've found that they're acquiring some domestic customers. They have great performance technicians on staff that can work on pretty much everything, and we've been really excited with the quality of work and the offerings that they've been able to produce for some of our Boise customers. In fact, we've worked closely with them enough that we've been doing some Boise tuning sessions using their mainline hub dyno, and we've had awesome results out of some of the domestic builds that they've been able to produce. Because of that, we have decided to share a location with them in the Boise area, so we'll be able to offer a one-stop shop type of service for the performance installs, maintenance, repairs, as well as the domestic tuning side of things. It'll be still two separate businesses. PowerLabs will operate as they always have as domestic tuning specialists, but we're excited to see Paradigm be able to grow and expand into the domestic market with this new cooperative setup that we're going to have. It's a really exciting time. There's going to be lots of bumps, I'm sure, throughout the process, the move. We're going to try to make it as seamless as possible and as streamlined as possible, but as always, we really appreciate your patience with us, especially since this is happening as we come into pretty much peak busy season. So again, during this transition, we're going to do everything that we can to continue to take care of customers that are looking for dyno tuning options throughout May. We'll keep you updated on future dyno services for East Idaho tuning operations. We'll keep you updated on shops that are going to be servicing our existing and future customers in the East Idaho locations. And as always, if you're feeling like you want to give the remote tuning device a try, loading, changing tunes from your smartphone, and it's not just locked to one vehicle, one device can be used to tune a multitude of vehicles we support. We're always happy to get you set up with that as well. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, send us a message, send us a text. We'd be happy to answer all the questions you have, and we're going to keep you updated through this whole process. I want to extend a massive thank you to all of our East Idaho customers and professionals that we've worked with over the years. It's been amazing. I've only been a part of PowerLabs since 2013. As many of you know, Jeremy Bird founded it in 2003 out of his garage, chip tuning Buick Grand National and old GM applications, and it just kind of snowballed from there. I believe most people know at this point that I purchased the business from Jeremy last summer after working for him and Stephanie Bird for the last 10 years. We're still in great contact. We still work on some projects together, and if anybody knows Jeremy at all, you know that of course he's not just sitting down and enjoying free time. He decided to fill it with another job. So everybody's staying busy as usual, but it's been an amazing experience being able to jump into the tuning industry and the automotive performance industry in the East Idaho location, and we're really excited to see what we can do in the Boise area and continue to expand to really whoever wants to work with us for tuning. We already have dealers in Texas, Alaska, Washington, Montana, and we're always looking to add to our dealer network. So even if you're not local to us, we're still happy to take care of your performance builds. Our customers are awesome. It's been a pleasure, and we're looking forward to see what the future has for us. Thank you.